judge in Governor Eric Greitens' felony invasion of privacy case had a long list of issues to consider before the trial begins, and the decisions he's making will shape the way this all unfolds.
Our Abby Larica was in the courtroom for this latest hearing and joins us now with some perspective on the case. Good morning, Abby.
Hey, good morning, Allie and Rennie. So the judge had a pretty full agenda when he took the bench here yesterday morning, but here are the main things you really need to worry about before the case heads over across the street to the civil courthouse for the trial next week. First, it will be a jury trial still for now. The defense wants the judge to decide the case because they're worried that they're not going to be able to find jurors who haven't already taken part in the court of public opinion. However, the judge says we'll see how things go once jury selection begins later this week. Also, the witness at the center of this very case, the woman, the former mistress, who the governor is accused of taking that blackmail picture of, will be heard in this case. The defense had tried to get her and other key witness testimony thrown out and continue to argue that Kim Gardner and her office have mishandled the case. And this is about politics and ulterior motives. And the circuit attorney does have to toss a few expert witnesses, including one who'd talk about iPhone photography. They were trying to bolster the former mistress's testimony, once again admitting they still don't have the photo that Greitens is accused of taking. However, the prosecution team argued that this is ultimately about serving justice to our state's sitting governor, who's facing not one but two felonies. A sitting governor whose colleagues down in Jefferson City in the Missouri House will convene for a special session just days after the trial begins to consider his possible impeachment. That's the latest from downtown. I'm Abby Larica, 5 on your side.
All right, thank you, Abby.